part B exercise, and that is rearrangement of sentence. The sentence, one sentence is divided into 6 parts. First and last part is given, and in between these 2 parts, the phrases or the groups of words which are there in between first and last are not in correct order. They are splitted. What we have to do? What we have to do? We have to put them into correct logical order and make a complete meaningful sentence. Now, let me share a screen for you. Yes. Now, look at here. The last statement was the very first battle they fought, वह पहली लड़ाई जो लड़े and was lost. तो उससे क्या हुआ? The very first battle they fought was lost and they had to fall back, letting the enemy cross the border and enter the country. Next example. Your patience and concentration is very important, along with your mastery in language, your reading practice, vocabulary. These are the things. So try to put your concentration. Be patient. Now next, when the governor turned to the horse, when the governor, the bell had rung, when the governor, the bell had rung, justice should be immediately. He ordered that, found out why done to the horse. Now, let's see the logical correlation from the first part and the next part. And we don't know which is among four is the next part. When the governor, the ball had rung. No. When the governor, justice should be immediately. No. When the governor, he ordered that. When the governor, he ordered that. No. When the governor found out. Yes. The subject and the verb. When the governor found out why the bell had rung. जब गवर्नर को पता चला कि भाई बेल क्यों बज गई. When the governor found out why. Actually, this is not a question. जब गवर्नर को पता चला या फिर जब गवर्नर को बेल बजने का पता चला. When the governor found out. ये जो रचना है ये इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन की नहीं है, ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है और शुरुआत में उसका एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ टाइम आया है. अगर इंट्रोगेटिव रहता तो फिर when did the governor find out ऐसा होता. Now when the governor ये टाइम दिया. When the governor found out why the bell had rung. जब गवर्नर को पता चला कि भाई बेल क्यों बज गई. Okay, so after now it's a correct. When the governor found out why the bell had rung. Next, justice should be immediately. He ordered that. He ordered that justice should be immediately done to the horse. A logical sense. When the governor found out why the bell had rung, he ordered that justice should be immediately done to the horse, even to the horse. जब गवर्नर को पता चला बेल बज गई तो उसने ऑर्डर दिया कि भाई ये हॉर्स के साथ भी न्याय होना चाहिए. जैसा कि the governor is doing the justice with the man or human being, likewise the justice should be done to the horse, though it is an animal. तो ये वो सेंस है. Correct order one more time, let me tell you. When the governor found out why the bell had rung, he ordered that justice should be immediately done to the horse. So the correct order is S P R Q. S P R Q. S P R Q. Yes. C. This is the correct order. When the governor found out the bell had rung, he ordered that justice should be immediately done to the horse. उसमें देर भी नहीं लगाना चाहिए. Now, dear friends, look at the next exercise. Exercise number 12. Exercise number 12. What's it about? First of all, we have to see the central idea. And here are some clues. In such kinds of sentences or such kinds of MCQs, we have to be good at vocabulary. Now you are getting to know that how words with their meanings are important. When you solve such kinds of examples, just one sentences are given. They are splitted into 6 parts, and what you have to do is to join them in, or what you have to do is to put them in correct order. Just one sentence is testing your mastery in English language. How you logically and sensibly make the sentence, that is important. So you are getting to know, my dear friends. Now practically you are knowing that our English language should be improved by doing the vocabulary, by doing the practice of reading, and some words should be learned by heart. Now look at here. This is the program designed for you by Asta Defense Academy to get through in your SPI entrance examination. Now look at here. The lead story or the lead story, whether it is lead or lead, it will be confirmed when we read rest of the sentences. Now, yes, though the word is one, but its a meaning are two or maybe more than two. The words are getting the meaning from its background, the correct meaning. Now, the lead story, the lead story. Okay, story, the lead story. So it's not lead. The lead story this morning at 4 a.m. and tonight's news. Okay, the lead story is from the news. Okay, there are many news items, and among them there are some lead story. Okay, lead news items, the news items which are leading. The lead story at 4 a.m. and tonight's news concerns the fire with which engulfed, that means covered, surrounded, overwhelmed, engulfed, engulfed. Engulfed means surrounded, covered, or overwhelmed, which engulfed the Columbia College this morning. The news of fire which engulfed the Columbia College. So this is the news, and this may be the leading news. So this is the central idea. Now we have to put these parts into their logical sense. Let's say the correlations among the parts. The lead story and tonight's news. It's not morning news. The lead story and tonight's news. There are three. The lead story and tonight's news In tonight's news at 4 a.m. concerns the fire which engulfed the Columbia College. So the lead story in tonight's news, in tonight's news concerns the fire. Concerns the fire. The news is about fire. Concerns the fire which engulfed, which covered the Columbia College at 4 a.m. this morning. The lead story concerns in relation concerns the fire concerns the fire. The lead story in tonight's news. The lead story in tonight's news concerns the fire. The lead story in tonight's news concerns the fire. The fire. That fire which engulfed, which covered the Columbia College at 4 a.m. this morning. This is the lead story. So the correct order or the correct combination of the parts is QRSP. QRSP. The lead story and tonight's concerns which engulfed the Columbia College at 4 p.m. QRSP this morning. So this is the correct combination, QRSP. Now next, what is this next? An electric circuit, both des inclusive, which is of wires designed to is a circle, both des inclusive. So this sentence is about technical field and electrical circuit as electrical circuit in particular. You must know your science subjects also, or your reading should be inclusive of various topics of knowledge. This is about electrical circuit. Let's see the correct of the splitted parts of a sentence. An electrical which is of wires designed to is a circle. Uh, an electrical circuit. An electrical circuit is a circle. Is a circle. Though this is the part of your English MCQs, but topic is related to technical field. You must know the what is circuit, then uh, anode, diode, cathode, lathe, dead, neutral, conductor, wattage, voltage, appliances, devices, then ampere, ohms, internal circuit, good conductor, bad conductor, semiconductor, then ICTP, switches, then sockets, insulations means isolators, then MCBs, miniature circuit breakers, DPs, changeover. Those are some words from the technical field or the electric and electronics field. Now, an electrical circuit is a circle. An electrical circuit is a circle. Is a circle. Is a circle, and this circle is of wires. So An electrical circuit is a circle. An electrical circuit is a circle of wires. Is a circle of wires which is designed to. What is this designed for? What is this circuit designed for? Designed to both days, which is designed to both days inclusive. So this circuit is designed for both days. You will get the reference of this from the passage, but the passage has not given. Only a sentence is given, and according to our logical sense or rational sense, we have to complete this sense. And for this matter, your reading and vocabulary is important. And the correct order of the words, correct grammatical order of a sentence is also important. An electrical circuit is a circle of wires which is designed to both dates inclusive. So the correct order is SQRP. SQRP. So this was about exercise number 13. Now, '14. Only a sentence is given, it is split, and we have to put it into a correct order. So everything is in front of you. Everything is in front of you. Just you have to recall your information or knowledge and use it properly. What is this? PG Woodhouse. You know PG Woodhouse? You might be knowing, some of you might be knowing who this PG Woodhouse is. Actually, PG is Woodhouse. Woodhouse, it is not a Woodhouse. Actually, it is the name of, it is the name of a writer. This is very famous. PG Woodhouse is a famous writer in English. As you know, William Shakespeare and John Milton. Likewise, P.G. Woodhouse is a famous writer in English. The mid 70s. Let's see what is there about him in this sentence. P.G. Woodhouse, writing till his death in the early years. Started writing. P.G. Woodhouse started writing, but one option is left. Let's see. P.G. Woodhouse of the century and continued. So P.G. Woodhouse started writing. P.G. Woodhouse started writing when P.J. Woodhouse started writing in the early years. P.G. Woodhouse started writing. P.G. Woodhouse started writing in the early years. In the early years of which? In the early years of the century. He is the writer. P.G. Woodhouse is the writer of 20th century writer. 21st century is going on. So he is the writer of 20th century. P.G. Woodhouse started writing in the early years of the century and continued writing till his death in the mid 70s. He started writing in early centuries and he continued his writing till the death in the mid 70s. Mid 70s, that means 71, 72, 73, 74. So these are the 70s. Maybe till 75, he continued his writing. Let's put these parts in their correct manner. P.G. Woodhouse P.G. Wodehouse started writing in the early years of the century and continued writing till his death in the mid 70s. So correct order is RQSP, 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 D, RQSP, RQSP. Now the next. The earlier exercise, that was exercise number 14, was about a writer named P.G. Wodehouse. He started in the early centuries and he continued his writing till the death in the mid 70s. So he is the writer of 20th century. Now, exercise number 15. Exercise number 15. And then word, and then word, but fleetingly. Fleetingly means passing very quickly. And then word fleeting came from inside. And then word came from inside, made the released civilians जो मुक्त हुए नागरिक है, made the released civilians that after all the press could but fleetingly means passing quickly. Civilians, then word from inside, meet the released civilians. So meeting the released civilians, and then word, and then word, and then word came from inside, and then word came from inside. अंदर से शब्द आए, and then word came from inside that after all, and then word came from inside that after all the press could meet the released civilians but fleetingly. अंदर से वर्ड आए, दैट मीन्स अंदर से परमिशन आए, परमिटिंग वर्ड आए कि जो प्रेस है, द पीपल ऑफ द प्रेस, वो रिलीज्ड सिविलियन से मिल सकते हैं लेकिन क्विकली, एंड देन फिनिश. एंड देन वर्ड came from inside, and then word came from inside, that means अंदर से परमिशन आई. क्या? The press could meet the released civilians. अभी अभी जो मुक्त हुए सिविलियंस और नागरिक है, उनसे ये प्रेस वाले लोग मिल सकते हैं. And then word came from inside that after all, and then word came from inside that after all the press could meet the released civilians but fleetingly. P-R-E-S-Q. And then word came from inside that after all the press could meet the released civilians but fleetingly. Yes, but fleetingly. Now, next exercise. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel movements at various places. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and movements at various places. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by organizing and displayed his capacity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity leading civil disobedience. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel leading leading civil disobedience as a capable organizer, and a masterful leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, by organizing, displays his capacity leading civil disobedience as a capable organizer and a masterful leader. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is a capable organizer and a masterful leader. Masterful leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a capable organizer and a masterful leader, leading civil disobedience, leading civil disobedience, leading civil disobedience, he displayed his capacity. He displayed his capacity. He displayed his capacity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a capable organizer and a masterful leader, leading civil disobedience, leading civil disobedience by organizing, by organizing, by organizing, by organizing, by organizing, and displayed his capacity by organizing and displayed his capacity display and organizing and displayed his capacity movements at various places. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a capable and a masterful leader displayed his capacity by organizing and leading civil disobedience movements at various places. Look at here. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a capable organizer and masterful. Yes. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, then yes, as a capable organizer and a masterful leader, then yes, Q displayed his capacity, displayed his capacity, displayed yes, Q, yes, Q, P, R, yes, Q, P, R, yes, Q, P, R, yes, Q, yes, Q, P, R, but SQPR is not in the option. SQPR is not in the option. So SRPQ is the option. First of all, we have to check this. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a capable organizer and a masterful leader, leading civil disobedience, leading civil disobedience, leading civilians, and displayed his capacity movements at various places. By organizing and by organizing and leading civil disobedience, PR, PR, PR. Let us check this one. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity as a capable organizer and a masterful leader by organizing and leading civil disobedience movements at various places. So this is the correct combination. QSPR. QSPR.
Sir, last 5 minutes.
Now, dear friends, we will have a doubt session. You can ask about the exercises that we have completed up to now. Dear friends, one at a student. First of all, you will raise your hand, and then you have to ask if you have any doubt or query, please. You have to ask about the exercises that we have completed up to now.
Sir, 16.
16. 16. Okay. Our 16 is about, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay. He organized and led movements at various places, but by organizing and displaying his capacity in those various movements, he proved himself as a capable organizer and a masterful leader. Again, let me tell you, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, by organizing and displaying his capacity in leading the civil disobedience at various movements, he proved himself as a capable organizer and a masterful leader. Very good question. Now, this is the sense or the meaning of a sentence, and we have to put these splitted parts into this correct sense, or what the message is being given by this sentence. We have to put these splitted parts into that sense, and then find whether that combination is correct. Now look at here. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed, he showed, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel showed or displayed his capacity. About what? He showed his capacity about what? He displayed his capacity as a capable organizer. And a masterful leader also. He can organize and he can become the leader of them also, that organization. And he proved this. Again, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity. He showed his capacity as a capable organizer and a masterful leader. And how he showed this, how he proved this? He proved this as a capable organizer and a masterful leader by organizing and leading leader. Are you getting this point? Again, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity, two kinds of capacity, which the capable organizer and a masterful leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity as a capable organizer and a masterful leader by organizing and by leading. civil disobedience. You know civil disobedience? Hmm? Civil disobedience, असहकार आंदोलन, civil disobedience. Again, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed his capacity as a capable organizer and a masterful leader by organizing and leading civil disobedience, and those movements were civil disobedience movement were led by him at various places. So leading civil disobedience movements at various places. Again, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed
Hello,
his
sir.
capacity. QSPR. QSPR. Okay. Next.
Hello, sir. Please explain
Yes.
exercise 15.
Exercise 15. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what is this about? Please cancel this. Now, exercise number. हॅलो आविष्कार लवंगरे सर, हे आविष्कार काय म्हणतोय? हॅलो. And then exercise 15.
Yes, sir.
And then word came from inside. And then what came from inside? If we see the logic